Are you battling with dark spots? Do you have issue with sunburn, or do you have issue with dull skin? In this video, I will be sharing my honest review on White Secret Lotion. This lotion is really formulated to treat dark spots, to bring out your natural glow, and to clear sunburn as well. In this video, I will be sharing with you guys the ingredients that I use to formulate this body lotion. I'll be sharing with you guys who should use this body lotion. I'll go ahead and share with you guys the advantage of using this body lotion, and also how you should use this lotion and the side effect of this lotion. Hello lovers, if this sounds like something you love to hear more, stick and stay. I will be back for more. White Secret Lotion, it's a very good lotion that brightens the skin. It's a very good lotion that lightens the skin. It's a very good lotion that clears dark spot or sunburn on the skin. But then this lotion comes in a set. Okay, we have the lotion, we have the cake soap, we have the shower gel, we have the cream itself, we have the facial cream, we have the serum, and I think we have the scrub as well. The ingredient that I use to formulate this lotion or this product are stearic acid, a kojic acid, a mineral oil, a petroleum jelly, vitamin E, vitamin C, hydroquine, and fragrance or aqua. Yes, this lotion contains hydroquine. Okay, and this lotion is really not formulated for all skin type. Okay, if you have a sensitive skin, you have an oily skin, please stay away from White Secret Lotion. And if you are a dark skin person, I wouldn't advise you to use White Secret Lotion. Okay, White Secret Lotion involves hydroquine. Okay, so if you are a dark skin person and you use it White Secret Lotion, you end up facing challenges on your skin. And if you are a sensitive skin person and you use White Secret Lotion, you end up facing problems as well. White Secret Lotion is for those who have a normal skin, a combination skin, a dry skin, and they want to brighten their skin. The advantage of using this lotion is that it nourishes the skin. Okay, it makes the skin very smooth and it clears dark spots on the skin. It brings out your natural glow. It brightens the skin, and also it whitens the skin as well. Okay, White Secret Lotion is very good for whitening the skin, but you have to know how to use it in such a way that you wouldn't have issue with your skin. Okay, and if you are a dark skin person and you use this White Secret Lotion, you end up having dark knuckles because of the hydroquine inside. You end up having green veins, you end up having stretch marks, you end up having stubborn dark spot on your skin. So if you are a dark skin person, don't attempt using White Secret Lotion or any of the products, the oil, the shower gel, the serum, the facial soap, the cake soap, or any of them. If you are a dark skin person, stay away from White Secret. Okay, and this is how you are supposed to use White Secret Lotion. If you have a light skin, you have a normal skin, you have a dry skin, or you have a combination skin, please get a very nice oil. Because of the hydroquine inside, you need to get a very nice oil, mix it with the lotion to bring down the hydroquine so that you wouldn't end up having white dots on the skin. Hydroquine is not really good for the skin. So if you use a product that involves hydroquine, you end up having green veins and white dots on the skin. So if you want to use White Secret Lotion, make sure you get a very nice oil to mix it with it and use on the skin. And when you are using White Secret product, please do not expose the body under the sun. Okay, make sure you protect the skin from the sun. Any lotion or any cream that involve hydroquine should be used at night okay, because during the night you will not or you wouldn't expose the body under the sun. So do not expose your body under the sun when you are using White Secret. And make sure that when you are using the lotion, do not mix the oil with the lotion, because the two of them involves hydroquine. Okay, do not mix the oil to the lotion and apply it on the skin. You will damage the skin. So make sure you get a different oil which is very mild, mix it with the lotion and use on the skin. Okay, White Secret lotion brings out your natural glow, especially when you use it with wisdom, or when you are a light skin person and you use it. Okay, and please, when you are using it, use it very well. Okay, you have to use it morning and evening. Sometimes you don't have to use it during the daytime, because the daytime you'll be stressing yourself, going up and down, going to work, going to market, going to pick the kids from school. It's like the stress is too much. So make sure you use your White Secret product or the lotion at night to avoid sunburn, to avoid dark knuckles, to avoid irritations on the skin. And this is the side effect of using White Secret. When you are using a White Secret, you end up having the side effect is what I'm coming to talk about. You end up having irritations on the skin. Okay, you end up having sunburn on the skin, especially when you expose the body under the sun. You also end up having dull skin. Okay, you will not achieve that kind of even tone. You end up having uneven tone skin. Okay, so make sure you use White Secret very well. Don't expose the body under the sun. Don't use it during the daytime. Use it at night. And when you use it correctly, trust me, you will fall in love with your skin. So if you are a dark skin person, stay away from White Secret. If you are a sensitive skin person, stay away from White Secret. If you are an oily skin person, stay away from White Secret. And if you want to use White Secret, make sure you get a very nice oil, a mild oil. Don't mix White Secret with an oil that contains hydroquine. Okay, mix it with an oil that does not involve hydroquine. And trust me, you are going to love your skin glow. You are going to feel good in your skin, and you are going to like brighten up. Okay, it's good for clearing dark spots. So if you are a fair skin person and you have dark spots on your face, you can grab the facial cream of White Secret and use it only at night. Don't use it during the daytime. If you use it during the daytime, you end up having dark under eye circle, you end up having reddish or sunburn on your face. White Secret is good for light skinned people. It's good for people who want to be extra fairer. Therefore, you can grab some and use it on your skin to achieve that kind of brighter skin tone that you want. Okay, Laves, this is Latin skincare. We give reviews on all skincare products. Okay, so if you are new here, I'll plead with you to kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification so that anytime I share a review here, or I share any video here, you would be able, or you will be the first person to receive a notification from me. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time, and God bless you. Bye bye.